Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to get an instant glowing face or whitening face in a week or instantly. This face mask is called tomato face mask and I also need these ingredients. So let's start how to make this paste. My first ingredient is tomato paste. You can also take this type of tomato and you can add tomato paste. This paste is making in a mixing jar with this tomato. And you can see these green peels. These green peels means or lemon peels. I add this blender with this tomato because it's better for our skin. And my second ingredient is lemon juice. I also take rice flour. So these three ingredients is needed to make a tomato face mask. So let's start how to make it. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of tomato paste because tomato is needed for our skin to exfoliate and our skin glowing texture. Now I am taking 2 tablespoons of rice flour. And last ingredient is lemon juice. I take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now I mix it properly. No clumps in there. This time I will show some things that this type of tomato paste and thickness is also there, but don't worry, it's important for your skin. My tomato face mask is ready. Now I am showing to you how to apply your skin or my skin. I am applying this on my hand, but you can use this hand, leg, neck or face or any kind of your body. I use it on my hand to scrub it. So I take this type of portion and apply on my hands. Take this type of mask and little bit scrub it. This is lemon peels and also take and scrub your skin. Not much time you can scrub your skin, just only 5 minutes you scrub. Then you can let it be in dry after 10 or 20 minutes. Look my hands and you can see how much glowing of this. You can use this face mask 2 times in a week, and of course you use this face mask before going to use shower. So friends, this is my tomato face mask and please subscribe to my channel.